Welcome to my channel. It's me, Sharif Rahman. I'm a UI UX designer and expert in Framer. This video, I'm just going to help you how you can import your Notion file into a great CMS items in Framer with a few clicks. So you see here, I'm just opening my CMS items. There is no items here. Instead, you can see there is a 2-button add block and import. So this video, I'm fully focused on import your Notion file into a great structured reading article website in Framer. So we can import from Notion. So for that, I'm just gonna opening my Notion file. You see here, these are my 2 blogs, 2 articles. So I want to connect this text and images into a well-structured blog post in Framer website. So you see here on the left side, on the right side top corner, you see these 3 dots, and on the bottom side you can see the connection. So I already connected my Framer website. For demonstration, I'm just going to disconnect it, and now you can play with exactly like this on the top corner and the connection, and you can search it Framer. So my concern is I want to connect my Framer website with Notion, or I want to connect my Notion workspace into a Framer website, so I can sync my data from here to Framer CMS database. So you can just click it, then you will get a model, not like it because I already connected. So you will get a authentication, so you will have to connect your Framer account with Notion. Then after that you will get this model from Notion. So I'm just going to confirm it. Now officially I just connected my Notion file into my Framer account. So you see here I already connected, but I don't get anything from Notion in my Framer CMS. So how we can import our data from Notion to Framer? So import here, and you can see when I'm just uploading. So you will get this plugin section. So mostly you will get the Notion on your this appear section like suggest section, but don't worry, if you didn't see anything from here, you can type it Notion, then you will get the plugin. Then just select it and you can create a new collection in Framer, because we are only connecting in our, we are creating collection in our Framer CMS. So I'm just going to name it Notion Framer. So I'm just going to create. Now you will get a pop-up from Notion. You have already connected your Notion file with Framer, and you want to import your Notion file in your CMS collection. So you see here, this is my data's untitled database because I didn't name properly. So just click your which items, which pages you want to connect in your Framer from Notion, then select it, then next. Now you will get this model, so you can select which item you want to appear in your Notion Framer file. So you can select, because I don't want cover image because I already added image as my cover images, and I'm just going to select plain text image instead of file. Just make sure it's images, otherwise your image doesn't show in your Framer CMS items. So everything I'm just gonna change it based on my requirements. Now you can import your Notion file into a great CMS items in Framer. One click. How cool is that? Just roll it forward. So you see we already connected our Notion file in our Framer. It's like a website, not a like website, it's a reading level Notion file. So now we can add our page. So on the left side you can see plus icon and a new CMS page, Notion Framer collection name and index, or I'm going to explore details page, how our Notion file into a great blogging experience for the real users. Now we have created our template, and the Notion file can align it based on our needs, because Notion have a limitation for creating web level experience for the reading materials. Now we can play with, okay, I want to place our cover image on the top, title and tags, everything. So our Notion file, we can change it from here. You see here how cool is that. We can provide great experience for the reading level Notion database into a great experience for reading material. So I hope you learned how you can connect your Notion with Framer in a few clicks. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next lesson.